How do I effectively manage my time? Time management refers to the way one organizes and plans how long they will spend on specific activities. Time management can have a huge impact on performance and productivity in any workplace, especially in customer support. When agents efficiently manage their time, it not only makes for efficient employees, but also assists in meeting requirements set forth by SLAs. Two very valuable time-bound key performance indicators, KPIs, are agent occupancy rates and average handling time. Agent occupancy rate is the percentage of time that agents spend handling incoming calls versus their available or idle time, while average handling time measures the amount of time agents spend handling each call. These KPIs are essential in evaluating efficiency and pinpointing issues that may impact meeting SLAs. For example, if an occupancy rate is too low, this could be due to overstaffing, low volume of calls, or poor management. Conversely, if an occupancy rate is too high, this means that agents may have no time between calls, causing them to make mistakes, be less focused on customer satisfaction, and feel stressed out. As you might expect, neither scenario is good. Striking the right balance is essential. For many call center managers, it can be tempting to encourage call center agents to hurry customers off the phone as quickly as possible to decrease average handle time. However, it is well known that requests for agents to resolve customer issues as quickly as possible negatively impacts other KPIs, such as first call resolution, increases in the number call escalations, and floods the call queue with repeat callers hoping for a better resolution. It is because of this that industry focus may have shifted from the speed of interactions to the quality of the customer experience, but still, no one can deny that good time management remains a primary indicator of efficiency. Numerous customer surveys indicate that customers don't like to wait. How customers perceive the performance of a business is often related to how quickly its employees can address and meet their needs. You've heard it before, time is money. Ineffective time management doesn't just waste time, it wastes money too. Poor time management skills can lead people to focus on what is most urgent instead of working proactively on what matters most for their organization and their customers. Deadlines can be missed, and mistakes are prone to be made while rushing to desperately catch up. To balance speed and quality of work, agents need a combination of self-discipline and focus, backed by good time management practices. The ideal scenario is to create an environment that encourages agents to be mindful of how they manage their time and encourage them to focus on it. Agents should consistently reflect on their time management skills and be provided with training and tips on an ongoing basis. Here are some tips that can help you stay focused on managing your time wisely. Plan each day. Planning your day can help you accomplish more. Write a to-do list with the most important tasks at the top. Keep a schedule of your daily activities to minimize conflicts and last-minute rushes. Prioritize your tasks. Time-consuming but relatively unimportant tasks can consume a lot of your day. Prioritizing tasks will ensure that you spend your time and energy on those that are truly important. Say no to non-essential tasks. Consider your goals and schedule before agreeing to take on additional work. Take the time you need to do a quality job. Doing work right the first time may take more time up front, but errors usually result in time spent making corrections, which takes more time overall. Evaluate how you're spending your time. Keep a diary of everything you do for 3 days to determine how you're spending your time. Look for time that can be used more wisely. Take a break when needed. Too much stress can derail your attempts at getting organized. When you need a break, take one. Learn to control the path of the conversation. Ask good questions. Keep in mind that the person who's asking the questions is most often the person in control. But remember, you must also focus on listening. Strike the right balance. Effective time management is the primary means to a less stressful life and a more productive work environment.